This is an exceptional West Indian estate with 2 bedrooms, an office, and 4 bathrooms. There's also a 2-bedroom plus exercise room, as well as a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom guest quarters, each with a pool and a gated entrance. This home has a gourmet kitchen in the main house with stainless steel appliances, and the sweeping West Indian welcome staircase gives way to separate master suites, with sprawling mahogany open closets and ensuite baths. The outdoor Danish brick entertainment area with a pool, barbecue, and wet bar is perfect. Call us to see this property for yourself. Contact David Fidelis, your Coldwell Banker real estate professional in St. Croix, for all the details on this property.